Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well. Today I will show you a best website which is best for practice IELTS exam. This video is so helpful for you and you can like and comment if you have any question. That's why don't skip any moment. After come back to the intro. First of all, we open any browser, then search IELTS online tests.com. Okay, this is the interface of this website. I give this website link in the description. You can click this link. Now I will explain everything about this website. At first you need to sign up here, otherwise you cannot give any practical exam. Now I click sign up and you can see here create a register account, or you can sign up by the Google, Facebook, Twitter, WeChat. Now I click sign up by the Google. Okay, give my email ID and give a password here. Click next. Okay, my sign up is completed. Okay, right here you can see here current student, parent or guardian and of current student, working professional, instruction staff, partner. Now you click current student and then you click junior high school, university, anyone you can click, or graduate student. Click next. Then you can see here, because of this is your profile, you need to create a profile. Your name, give a name, then display currency is BDT, and you confirm term and condition yes. Last name you can give a last name or not. Bangladesh, time zone, okay, you can click here, right? Otherwise, okay, because of you need to fill up, because it's time zone is required, that's why you need to choose okay, I find out Dhaka time zone and click next. Okay, my reason for practice IELTS study abroad, or if you click job requirement, immigration, anything. And how about an IELTS score? I have an IELTS score. I don't have an IELTS score. Click don't have an IELTS score. Target score, you click target score is 9 and click next. Then back to the home. Your profile is set up. Now you can prepare for any practicing for your IELTS exam. After completing sign up, now you can see here IELTS exam library, IELTS tips, IELTS preparation service, live lesson. You can see here academic IELTS exam library. You can see here two term, academic test এবং general training test, and IELTS tips, listening, writing, reading, spoken, and announcement. preparation service, IELTS listening service, reading service, writing correction service, speaking mock test, explain videos. Okay, now I click academic test and I will show you. Okay, you can see here IELTS mock test. Okay, now you can see here has two segment on. One is the monthly and another is volume types. Now I will show you how you give this practice exam. You click anyone. Okay, I click January and you can see here 4 segment. Now I will show you how you give this practice exam. Okay, the practice test 1, practice test 2, and if you click volume, you can see here okay, here has 4 segment and the practice text 6 practice test. You can give any practice test. Okay, now I will show you a text. Click take test. Now no thanks okay, now that you can see here the time and this is the question, reading question, and that time is total time is 40 minutes. Okay, I don't know you can listening this video audio because okay, it's listening test, that's why you can see here your time is start and the listening you can start. Click here and the listening is start. You can volume increase or decreases. Click 5 seconds right or left and you can change your source, audio source 1 2. If you source 1 is not work, you can click source 2. Then you can listening and you can fill up your question answer. When you click this, you can see here 1 is fill up, and when you click here 2 is fill up, 3 is not click, 4 click. Then you can see here which option is you can fill up. This is the here you can see here. And after completing your test, then you can you can write here and you can written here anything, any answer. And after completing your test, you can submit this exam. Submit and review answer. Now you see here has 40 40 question answer. Okay, this is your answer, and the mark is here. You can see your score is 2 and the correction is 2. Time is time you spent time, you can see here. And you can see here the top 10 students list which grade mark is, you can see here score. Right, now you can see all which answer is correct or false, and then you can review your explanation. Okay, you can explanation your answer. Right here you can see 4 question. Now I see this 4 question and listening. Now you can click here and listen, and then you can locate it which is the question answer. Question 4 here, and explain. If you do not understand why this question is wrong, then you click explanation. You can see this full explanation. I hope you will understand. Then you can next click the next question. You can see here next and the next okay. Now I will show you the reading test. No thanks. Right. This is the our passage, and another side is the question sheet, answer sheet. You can click next. Now you see here has 40 question and 1 hour time. As it's a practice exam, you will be try to complete this exam only 40 minutes, 40 to 50 minutes. Because of if you complete this time duration, you can be better in your IELTS exam. After completing your exam, you can see the result, and the main thing is your correction is time. It can be see and separately demonstrate every question answer, and click submission. If you do not understand, if you this question is so hard, you can see the solution and view the solution. You can submit this question, you can exam, or you can see, at first you can see this question answer. Okay, and you can comment here. Okay, this reading part is complete, and writing part. Okay, you can see here writing task 1, task 2. Okay, task 2. Task 1 has few question, a graph chart, and task 2 has a essay. This text is free. Click here, and you can read in here something. This you can see here this question, and you can write in here. And if after completing your time duration is 20 minutes. Okay, and you click reset this part. Okay, next part. After completing your question, you can submit this test. Yes, I'm already. Okay, you can see here review. You can see this review answer, this question answer. If you want to check by the examiner, you can pay $19.99. Now you see here this speaking part. Click the take a test, and this is the main important part 1, part 2, part 3, and every question you can see here, and how you can give this test. You can take this test free, and general instruction you can see here 3 parts, and time lapse. You can read this question and write. Oh, this is the ad. Click here. Next step, click. Okay, my microphone is muted. I have been muted. Okay, now I click setting, and my microphone. Okay, allow. Then I click here. Okay, now I skip this part. Okay, this is not possible. Okay, this is not any problem. You can check this question thing, and after completing this speaking answer, you submit. If you can check by the examiner, you need to pay. Okay, but I hope you have not payment them. You can practice. You see the time duration, and you give this question answer. That's okay. Now I will show you quickly a few things because this video is so long. Now okay, now you can see here reading tips. Click here reading tips, and you can see here IELTS reading test can do. I hope this video is so helpful for you. If this video is helpful, you can like and comment. You have any question, you can subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. These types of important videos, which in the next time which topic we will prepare video, you can comment below. Thanks for watching.